Today's episode is 69 reacts to Caveman Nom snore gets replaced with number block 92's snore, but he destroyed it. This video has been requested by Caveman Nom. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 69. Sorry for not reacting to snore replacements because there's a few remaining. But I'm luckily reacting to Caveman Nom's snore gets replaced with number block 92's snore, but this is getting a little more controversial than I ever expected. But anyways, let's do the crazy prank. The screen turned black as blank. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 585.